Hello everyone, this video is a compilation of 4 easy and delicious Maggi recipes. Let's get started. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a kadhai or a pan. And once the oil becomes hot, add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. Saute these onions till these turn slightly pinkish, not golden in color. Do not over fry these. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes off. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi and again saute till the raw smell goes off. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder or as per your taste. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, so it's less spicy. Now add 1 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes. Add a very little bit of water and cover these tomatoes and cook for a minute or 2 on medium flame till these become soft. Add 1 small size chopped potato. I love potato in Maggi, but if you don't like it, you can skip it. Now add 1/4 cup sweet corn or any other vegetable of your choice. Now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of Maggi Masala Maggi. So we are anyway going to add the 2 sachets of Maggi which comes with the pack, but this as well to add flavor to the vegetables. Now cover and cook till the potatoes and the sweet corns are cooked. Now I'm adding half cup of peas, so you need to add the vegetables according to the time they require to get cooked. Like the vegetables which take more time should be added first and those which take less time later. Now to this add 2.5 cup of water and bring this to a boil. Now add 2 sachets of Maggi Masala which come with the packet. Once this starts to boil, add the 2 Maggi noodle cake. These are called as cakes. You need to cook this till the noodles are done because we've already cooked the vegetables. So this Maggi is done. You can serve it right away if you like this amount of liquid in it. Otherwise, switch off the flame and let it stand for a minute. So after a minute, it will absorb some of the liquid and still you can see it's nice and juicy. It looks awesome. Now sprinkle some chopped fresh coriander and again enjoy. Well, first boil the Maggi noodles. For that, take 3/4 cup water in a pan. And to that, add 1 packet of Maggi noodles. Keep the flame between medium to high. So the noodles are almost done, and by the time they are done, you will notice that very less water would be left. And this time switch off the flame and you'll notice after some time all this water, the remaining water, will also be absorbed. Now in a mixer grinder jar, add 1 green chili or as per your taste, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic of small size. Make a coarse paste without adding any water. This is ready. This is done. Now in a bowl, take 1 medium-sized thinly sliced onion. To this add 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh coriander, half teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain, half teaspoon red chili powder, and the paste which we had prepared. Maggi taste maker or Maggi masala which comes with the noodles packet. And now half cup gram flour or besan, some salt as per taste. Now give this a good mix and make sure while mixing everything you squeeze the onions to get maximum water out of them. And at the end, when you are done with all this, add the noodles, because the noodles also contain moisture and it will be easy for you to mix everything and you'll be able to make pakodas out of it. Like this. So this looks perfect and this is how you need to make pakodas and drop them into the oil. So this is medium hot oil. To this oil I'm adding the pakodas in random shapes. They need not be round and I'm not making them round. I just want them to be random shaped. And you need to fry them on high flame. So once you drop in the pakoras, change the flame to high if you are making the pakoras of this size, and then take them out once they are golden in color. So if you are making very big sized pakoras, which I would not suggest, just make little on the smaller side or medium sized. Otherwise, if you fry them on high flame, the inside would be undercooked. So just to avoid that. So our crunchy pakoras are done. These are so delicious, crunchy and soft inside, just awesome, and that taste of Maggi masala and everything is just awesome. This is an easy recipe, perfect for monsoon, or I think any time when you would crave for something made out of Maggi. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Heat a pan and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Now add 1 small chopped onion. Saute the onion till it becomes slightly golden in color. Then add 1 small chopped tomato. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. You can add regular red chili powder as well, but this powder adds a nice color. 1 small sliced green chili. Saute for a minute or so. Now cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. After cooking the tomatoes, we'll add water. So add 1.5 cup water. And then bring this water to a boil. Now add 1 packet of Maggi noodles and the taste maker powder which comes along with the Maggi packet. Keep the flame between medium to high and let the noodles cook. Stir in between. Now add 1 small sliced capsicum and gently stir everything. Now cover and cook. So covering and cooking will make sure that your Maggi gets cooked quickly without a loss of water. I mean, not a lot. The Maggi is almost done. I'm going to now add 3 slices of cheese. So these are the regular cheese slices which are available in the market. You can use cheese slices from any brand. Keep mixing and you'll notice that the cheese slices will melt completely in the noodles and would give you a very nice, delicious cheesy Maggi. Keep the flame low at this time. So our delicious cheesy Maggi is ready. You can see a nice liquid cheesy sauce along with it. Serve it right away. It tastes out of this world. Let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe. Enjoy! First in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons cooking oil and then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. The oil should be very hot at this time and you need to saute the onion at high flame. So after the onions turn slightly pink, add 1/4 cup finely chopped carrot and on high flame saute these for a minute or so. Then add 1 to 2 chopped green chilies or as per your taste. Again saute for a minute. Now add 1/4 cup green peas. I'm using the frozen ones, you can also use the fresh ones. 1 teaspoon red chili powder and some salt as per taste. The frozen peas do not need a lot of time for cooking. So once the peas are done, add 1 cup water. Add the Maggi taste maker or Maggi masala which comes with the noodles packet. Now add the Maggi noodles to the pan. I'm breaking these into 2, you can also keep them as is. Now we need to cook the noodles. So the noodles are almost done. We need to cook until these become dry. So these are done. We're going to take the noodles out in a plate or a bowl. And when the noodles cool down, remember when the noodles cool down, you need to add the cheese. So here I'm adding 50 gram processed cheese followed by 50 gram mozzarella cheese. The reason why I want the noodles to cool down is because we want the cheese to melt when we'll fry the pockets and not now in the hot noodles. So let's keep the noodles aside. Now let's prepare a paste of maida and water. So just approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons and add some water. So this paste will act as a glue. So it should be a little thick. So here I've taken some bread slices. These are white bread slices and I'm removing the sides. So total for the stuffing, you'll need 10 to 12 bread slices. So remove the sides. You can use a knife or a pair of scissors. Now take one bread slice and using a rolling pin or balan, you need to press and roll the breads. You need to flatten them well. So the advantage of doing this is that the bread will not then absorb a lot of oil. So make sure you roll them nice and tight. Now place some stuffing on the bread slice on one side and then use the paste which we had prepared. This will act as a glue to seal all the sides of the bread. So this looks done. Similarly, you need to make all the other pockets. So here I've made some. These are 5, and as I told you some time back that this amount of stuffing will give you approximately 10 to 12 such bread pockets. So let's fry these. So this is some cooking oil. It's heating on medium flame and you need to fry these bread pockets on medium flame till these become nice and golden. So these won't take a lot of time, but we need to make sure that these are heated well and the cheese inside melts really nice. So this is done. Similarly, you need to fry all the other bread pockets. So here are the 5 bread pockets which I've made. These have turned out very nice, crunchy on the outside, nice and crisp. So I'll break one open and show you. Look how nice the mozzarella cheese has come out. This recipe is just fantastic. It's easy and it's delicious. Give it a try and enjoy.